In the beginning, open Google and search for Hotmail or Outlook. Click on the first one. Click on the sign in. Click on the create one. Click here to choose Outlook or Hotmail. I choose Outlook. Here, enter the address of the email that you want to create it, then click on the next. In the here, write your password. Enter the password you would like to use with your account. Look, if you write only lowercase letter, the system will not accept it. Password must have at least 8 characters and contain at least 2 of the following: uppercase letter, lowercase letter, number and symbols. Like me, write uppercase and lowercase and symbol and number, then click on the next. You need just a little more info to set up your account. Write first name and surname, then click on the next. In this page, you must select your country and your birth date. Then click on the next. Click on the next. Here you must solve 5 puzzles to verify you are not a robot. Verification completed. Now your email has been created. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Thank you.